Why the Japanese philosophy of doing less leads to more success. But today, the world is telling you something very different. Work more, do more, stay busy, keep running. If you are not exhausted, you feel like you are falling behind. But what if this is the biggest mistake? What if doing more is actually making you achieve less? And what if the real secret is doing less? Before we begin, subscribe to Health Wealth Books, because here, we don't just share ideas. We help you build a better life.
Look at your daily life. You wake up and immediately check your phone. Messages, notifications, emails, social media. Your mind starts running before your day even begins. Then your day continues like this. You start one task, but before finishing it, you jump to another. You reply to messages. You scroll. You think about 10 things at once. And by the end of the day, you feel tired, but not satisfied. Why? Because your attention was divided. And when your attention is divided, your results become weak. The Japanese philosophy teaches something simple. Energy is limited. Attention is limited. If you spread it everywhere, you lose depth. You lose clarity. You lose quality. Think about this. If sunlight is scattered, it warms. But if the same sunlight is focused, it can burn. Your mind works the same way. When you try to do everything, you end up doing nothing well. So the problem is not that you are lazy. The problem is you are doing too much.
Now imagine a different way. You don't try to do everything, you choose only a few important things. And you give them full attention. This is where the Japanese mindset becomes powerful. They don't chase quantity. They respect quality. When you do less, something interesting happens. Your mind becomes calm. Your thoughts become clear. Your actions become sharp. You are not rushing anymore. You are not reacting anymore. You are acting with intention. This changes everything, because success does not come from doing many things. It comes from doing a few things very well. Think about a craftsman. He does not rush. He does not multitask. He focuses on one thing with full presence. That is why his work becomes exceptional. The same applies to your life. When you remove the unnecessary, what remains becomes powerful.
Now ask yourself this. How many things are you holding on to right now? Too many goals, too many plans, too many distractions. Your life becomes heavy. Your mind becomes noisy. And slowly, stress increases. The Japanese philosophy teaches something deep. Remove what is not needed, not just in your room, but in your mind. Because every extra thing you carry takes energy. Every unfinished task takes space in your mind. Every unnecessary commitment creates pressure. When you simplify, you create space, and in that space, clarity appears. You start seeing what truly matters. You stop overthinking. You stop feeling overwhelmed, and for the first time, you feel light. Simple life does not mean empty life. It means meaningful life.
Modern culture loves speed. Fast success, fast results, fast life. But the Japanese philosophy is different. It believes in slow, steady, continuous progress. Because real growth takes time. When you rush, you make mistakes, you burn out, you quit. But when you slow down, you stay consistent. And consistency always wins. Doing less helps you stay consistent. Because you are not overloaded. You are not exhausted. You can continue day after day. Small actions, repeated daily, become powerful over time. This is how real success is built. Not through sudden effort, but through steady progress.
Most people live reactively. Something happens, they respond. A message comes. They reply immediately. A notification appears. They check it instantly. Their life is controlled by external triggers. They are always reacting, but never leading. The Japanese philosophy teaches, pause, choose, act with intention. When you do less, you regain control. You decide what deserves your time. You decide what deserves your attention. You are no longer pulled in different directions. You move with purpose. You act with awareness. And this changes your life completely, because now you are not just busy, you are effective. Now think about this. What if you stopped trying to do everything? What if you focused only on what truly matters? What if you removed the noise and kept only the essential? Your life would become simpler. Your mind would become calmer. Your work would become deeper, and your results would become stronger. The world will keep telling you, do more, run faster, stay busy. But the truth is different. Doing less is not weakness. It is wisdom. It is control. It is power. Because when you do less, you finally give your best. And if this made you think, even a little, subscribe to Health Wealth Books, because here we don't just share ideas, we help you build a better life.